Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to name one name on Facebook. How to name one name on Facebook account. Let's start. Can you watch the video to end so that you don't miss any steps or any information? If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to the channel? Let's start. You launch your Facebook app like this. The moment you launch, remember your motive is to change or name one name on Facebook account. So you launch your app like this. You see that the line top there, you click there. When you come here, you click on profile. So you click on your name there. And you come here, you then scroll down. But before you do this, you have to go to Play Store and search for this VPN. VPN Lite. Yeah, this is the VPN. This one. So you open the VPN like this, and Indonesia. You scroll down to check for Indonesia. So yeah, this is Indonesia. So you pick the first one, connect. So we are waiting for it to connect. We are waiting. Yes, it has connected. So we then go back to your Facebook. Here, you go back. You scroll down here. Go to settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy. You go to settings. You click on settings. Here, you see personal details. Where account center is personal details. So you click on the personal details. You click here. You click on the first one. Here I've combined my Instagram and Facebook together. So you click on the Facebook. That's the first one. You click. Here you go to name. You click on the name and type a name you want to use. So I'll type a name. So the name you want to use, you type. And you go to here, surname. Here, the magic works here. Here you press or double press your space bar. So I'll press my space bar. One. Yes, when you press and you click review change. Review change. Yes, it does. So you go back. So you go back. You go back. You go back. Here you refresh your Facebook. Yes. With this, it will take time small for it to change. This is how to name one on Facebook. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.